Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for tremor. Now, what is tremor? This is a neurological disorder which causes shaking movements of one or more parts of the body, usually involving the hands, but of course it can involve any part of the body. Now, what happens because of the tremor? You can have shaking hands and legs, arms, legs, or a shaky voice, or you can have difficulty in doing tasks such as writing or drawing, or holding utensils, spoons, or even it can cause head nodding, even when you don't want that. Now, this can become weak or worsen due to different situations, or it can also increase when you are physically exhausted. So, mostly middle-aged or older adults are likely to get this disease, and it may affect both men and women equally. Now, most of the times, tremor is caused by some problem in the deep parts of the brain that control movements. There are some types of tremors which have no known cause. But what causes tremor? Now, usually the cause is neurological, but some known causes include medicines, overactive thyroid, alcohol abuse or withdrawal, diseases such as stroke, multiple sclerosis, brain injury, Parkinson's disease, mercury poisoning, too much caffeine, liver or kidney failure, low blood sugar, and stress or anxiety. Now, there are many types of tremor, but basically there are two: resting tremor and action tremor. Now, resting tremor occurs when the muscle is relaxed, and this is usually seen in Parkinson's disease. Action tremor occurs usually when there is a voluntary movement. Now, again, in action tremor there are many types such as postural, kinetic, intention tremor, task-specific tremor, and so on. Now, so there are nearly more than 20 types of tremors, and the most common which are included in day-to-day practice are essential tremor, then dystonic tremor, cerebellar tremor, and psychogenic tremor. Physiological tremor also can occur, but this is normal. Parkinson tremor is very common and seen in this disease. Now, the diagnosis depends upon the causes. Usually a history is taken, and depending upon the type of tremor, investigations are done. What is the treatment? Usually in modern system of medicine, beta blocking drugs are given, anti-seizure medications are given, tranquilizers are given, and some specific medications for treating Parkinson's disease. In addition, there is a focused ultrasound treatment. There are surgical treatments, for example, deep brain stimulation, which works very well for Parkinson's disease. Radio frequency ablation is used sometimes, and self-care or lifestyle changes also can be there. So, what is the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for tremor? Now, again, the treatment depends upon the known cause, but as we have mentioned earlier, that the cause is in the brain. So, all medicines which act on the central nervous system, medicines which act on the brain, these medicines are given in high doses in order to treat the main cause of the tremor. Of course, for example, for Parkinson's disease, the cause is slightly different. There may be some abnormality with the neurotransmitters, etc. So that needs to be treated in a different way. But usually, essential tremor, in which there is some sort of atrophy of the parts of the brain, especially the cerebellum. Now, in this case, medicines are given to help strengthen the nerve cells and to help the brain cells to regenerate and to start functioning properly. Only oral medications may not be so effective. So, Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatment is given in addition to that to bring about better and faster results. Now, almost all the different types of Panchakarma like Shirobasti, Shirodhara, Nasya, full body massage, then Basti or medicated enema, all these are quite useful in the treatment of tremor. So, a combination of oral medication and Panchakarma treatments are used in order to bring about the best possible results. Now, depending upon the cause and depending upon the severity, treatment may be required, say, for about 4 to 6 months. But all in all, these results are much better than the results for allopathic medicines. So, friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for tremor. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.